What's good, y'all? It's your boy D Humble Hustler back with another video. And what we gonna do today, I'm super excited, y'all. I'm super pumped up. We doing another unboxing. Well, we doing a bunch of unboxing. Try to rearrange my room and all that. And you already know I'm an Amazon associate, so of course it's only right that we unbox Amazon boxes. Yes, that's what we doing. I ordered a bunch of new stuff for the car. Also, in a previous video, I know you guys known me to have the X series, but you know I had to go out and get that S series too. I'm just gonna show you a sneak peek. Boom. You see it right there. Yeah. You see it right there. Boom. You see it? Boom. But that's not what this is about in this video, but just to let y'all see, I kind of switched my gaming room around. My favorite color, red and black, for those of you who don't know. But always good money entertainment. Woo. I gotta move the D over. Look at that. Okay, good money entertainment. Yes, I make music. Humble Beats. Hold on, move this over. Yeah, my thing's all crooked and everything. And no, folks, I'm not a smoker. As you see, I got the sign up, no smoking when you come into my recording studio. But this is also my game room. So in just 5 more minutes, nah, not really 5 minutes, but I'm about to start this unboxing, you heard? So, we're going to see the camera right here. And let's see which box should we open first. Move this over here. Let me sip some wine. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but I drink it. Okay, so we're going to start with this box. I like ordering from Amazon because they always make you feel good. They send the smiley face boxes, which I think is very cool. The fact that Amazon, you know, does that. Let me grab, what can I open this with? Maybe I can use my truck key. Let's see. Green llama. Can I use this? Oh, I think I can. Yo, this is legendary. I'm trying to use, I'm using my truck key. It's crazy. Hopefully I don't break my key, y'all. So, okay. As you see, we got all the bubble wrapping. We're gonna put that right there. What is in here? I don't know what this is. Let's see, how does it open? Put that over there. Let's see. Okay, I think maybe it's over here like this. I don't know. It's like weird. They like, let's see if I can like break it or something. See if I can break it, y'all. Okay. That didn't go too good. I only got a little bit of plastic on. Okay. Here we go. Okay. What do we have here? Oh. Good. Okay. So, let me put this pack right here. For those of you who don't know, these are my scratchers because I scratch lotto tickets and I'm left-handed. And my hand, a lot of people say in the videos, my hand block it. So I bought lotto ticket scratchers. That's what these are, to scratch tickets. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is pretty good. So, lotto ticket scratches. I'm put this in this box right here. And now I have something to scratch. What else do we have in this package? we have LED star projector light. Oh, okay. This is for my movie theater. Okay, so what it does is it projects a light into my movie theater. Got this off Amazon. You have the different modes right here. And it helps you have stars in your movie theater. Really cool, really cool. I can't wait to see how this looks. I'll definitely show y'all a video. It comes with a battery. What is this? I guess this is like a stand for it. It has a battery. Comes with a remote. And it comes with a charger cable, like a USB. Oh snap, okay. I'm definitely feeling that. And this is the kind of boxing that it comes in. Definitely got this off Amazon. If you want to know what it's called, just email me or comment below the video and I'll be glad to let you know. I have a home theater system, so that's what this is going to be used for. Okay, so I'm going to sit this right here on the floor. What else do we have in this box? And now, as you see, the box is empty. I don't know who this is on my box, but okay. So, gotta keep my room clean. Now this I bought for my caddy. I wanted the glitz and the glamour and the gold. So, this for my DTS caddy. Let's open this up and see what this is. These are the, like the diamonds, like the rhinestones. It just, you know, it looks really cool. I have black interior inside of my all black caddy DTS with black interior leather. So, as you see right here, this goes around the engine. Then this goes around the gear shifter. Let me open it up, show you what it looks like. Okay. So this goes around the gear shifter. It glitters. It's really nice. See what is this? I saw it online, thought it was really cool. What does this go to? I believe this goes like, I don't really know where it goes. I think it goes around the seat. No, this goes around something else. I have to think of it. And I have the same one right here. But I ain't gonna lie, it looks really, really cool. You know, that rhinestone effect. You know, as you see, it glitters. It looks really nice. It looks like diamond. And I definitely know what these are. These are the seatbelt straps. Because, you know, diamonds are forever. So, no, ladies and gentlemen, it's not Christmas. Just an unboxing. Because I am on Amazon all the time. And I order a lot from them. So, as you see, once again, this is the seatbelt strap that goes like over your chest. As you see, it glitters. Oh, man. This is like awesome. I'm really digging this right here, boy. I'm digging it. Let me get rid of the wrapping. Because I'm trying to keep my room neat. And I'll show you from this angle. Look at that. Now, like I said, this is a gear shifter to my gear. This right here, I believe this goes to something. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe I'm gonna look back on Amazon to see where this goes, or it might just be an extra piece. But I know definitely this goes on the shifter. My shifter is in the floor instead of behind the steering wheel. And then this goes on the seatbelt. But look at the clarity in that. Look at that. Oh, man. That is nice. So, that's going to go in the caddy. I'll show you what it looks like when I actually put it inside of the black caddy. I'm not playing no games, people. So, we have another package. Woo! Almost dropped it. It's heavy, but it's light at the same time. And just so you know, these rings, these actually go around the knobs in the car, which will look pretty cool. So, what I'm about to do is use my key again to get inside this box. Yeah, so I finally got the scissor. Damn, did this scissor cut? What the hell? Oh no. This scissor doesn't even cut. Really? God. Really? Okay. Let me try to get it out through here like this. This shit is crazy. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Oh, this looks pretty good. Okay. So, these are the floor mats. Two, which, oh, this is a nice chocolate. I like it. These are the floor mats that's going to go in my white navy because I got the chocolate wood grain. So, you have the second row, and then you have the driver, well, the passenger, and then you have the driver. Now, I do have a third row. This didn't come with a third row, however, it's okay. I'll figure something out. But this is pretty cool. So let me show y'all from a different angle. We got the driver side right there. Passenger side floor mat. Driver side, second row. Passenger side, second row. So, it's pretty good. Definitely loving the packages. I know y'all think we done, but we're not. So, we have another box. Okay, what is this? Just to let y'all know, I shop a lot. I buy things. But don't think I'm just out here spending all my money, because I'm not. I know how to get a lot out of a little. I know how to make a little bit of money look like a lot of money. I'm a bargain shopper, and I find the best deals. I'm from Brooklyn at the end of the day, so we got to get the best deals. Right? Because I'm the humble hustler. And it's only right. So, I don't know how many people use a car key to open packages, but I do. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh. Once again, bunch of bubble wrap. Bunch of bubble wrap. What is this? What's in here? Oh, yes. Waiting for these. Put these on my Cadillac truck. Put these on, I mean, not my Cadillac, sorry, I got a Navigator. Boy got the Cadillac, I got the Navigator, but this gonna go on the Punisher. All this is the fins that stick to the side of the car. This is gonna look great. Great with the black background. Huh. Yeah, I don't play when it comes to my cars. I don't play. What else we got here? Oh, I shop for all my cars. This is the armrest for the caddy, as you've seen earlier in the video. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at that. And that's for the armrest. That is for the armrest. That is crazy. Look at the clarity. Oh, man. That caddy gonna look official. Oh, God. I think I'm gonna drive the caddy tomorrow, y'all. We got another package. What is this? We got another package. Tissue holder that come with tissue, and it clips onto my sun visor. Awesome. Clips right onto the sun visor. Really cool. Oh man, it's a tissue holder. Goes right on my sun visor. I'm not playing, y'all. I'm taking it all the way, you heard? All the way. We got another package. You already know what this is. We got the steering wheel too. So, we ain't playing. Y'all know what this is. This is the steering wheel that's going to go on the caddy to complete the set. Look at that shit, boy. I got that bling. That's what they call it too. They call it the bling. They call it the bling. And I need that bling, you heard? You see that? I need that bling. Look at all them crystals. That's that bling. Goes to the caddy. What do we got here? Y'all hear that noise? Oh, we ain't done yet. Got another package. Another package. See what this is. This might be for the Pontiac. Oh, it is. It's for the Supercharged. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, I got a supercharged Pontiac. I've been working on it. I got it in my garage. Hold on. I've been working on it. And I'm going with a black and a green type of Monster Energy theme. And so I'm working on that too. See, I got a few cars. I don't just got one car. I got a few. I'm a YouTuber. You know, I buy cars. I love cars. And this was before YouTube. So, look, check this out. What y'all think about this? Look at that. Look at the clarity on that. Hold on, let's take it out the package. Hold on. Let's take it out the package. I'll leave that right there, like that. Look at that. Oh man. Look at the clarity on that. Oh. See what y'all made me do? We going with that Monster Energy. We going with that Monster Energy. Y'all already know. We going with that Monster Energy. Hold on. See, I've been getting these packages for a while, but I haven't had time to open them. I haven't had the time because I've been like really busy. My brother's birthday just passed, you know. So we've been like, you know, and me, you know, hustling. Because I am the humble hustler, you know. So it's just been a lot. Oh, okay. You know what this is. Show y'all what this is. This is the steering wheel. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is the steering wheel cover for the Navi. It's stretched. Oh yeah, that's gonna look real good. Steering wheel cover to match that chocolate, them floor mats that I showed you, which are right here. You see it matches the floor mat. Boy, I ain't playing. So what else do we have? We got this package and then we got a last one. So first thing we got, what's this? This supposed to be white. They sent me a gray key fob. I ordered a white one. Really? Bruh. Really? I don't know. This gray. This ain't white, right, y'all? They said this was white. This is gray. My color ain't gray. But we'll see. This for my Navi. We'll see. This right here, self-explanatory. I'm gonna have to take it out the box. What this is a tablet holder. I have 2 TVs in my second row and my Punisher Navi. These are gonna go in the third row, and I'm just gonna throw tablet TVs back there so you can sit in the third row and watch Netflix. And as always, I bought 2 of them. So yeah, it straps to the back of the headrest. We lit. This, I don't know what it is because I bought so much stuff. Let me see. You just never know because I'm always doing something. See what it is? Done fell out. Okay, so what this is? Oh, perfect. So what this is my air vent tablet holder. What it does is it clips to my vent. Okay, yeah, this is nice. It clips to my vent And what it does is it holds the tablet. Let me see. Okay, yeah, you're right. It pops out. And then these are the clips that actually go into the vent. Okay. Pretty cool. Let me put this back in the plastic. So then we just have one more box, which would be this bad boy. I got the steering wheel too, the Ferrari steering wheel. Just a sidebar. I'll do a video on that, letting y'all know how it is later. So let me try to open this little box. That way I can get me some more wine and chill out. Oh, I know what this is. Once again, I brought a steering wheel for my Pontiac Supercharge. Oh yeah. Glow in the dark. This is a glow in the dark steering wheel. Official. This is a glow in the dark steering wheel. It glows in the dark, y'all. That's fire. Glows in the dark. I don't know about y'all, but they have some good shit in China. Because I know this was made in China, I can tell. But China got some good shit. I ain't hating on China. I don't got nothing against the Chinese. You know what I'm saying? I don't got nothing against them. I definitely don't. So we got the steering wheel. And then the last thing we got, y'all see that. Y'all see that. Yeah, we're going to add this to the collection. We're going to add it to the collection. So, other than that, it's real in the field. Let me put the cap back on. Oh, well, I don't want y'all looking at that too long. Hold on. So, as your boy said, this your boy D Humble Hustler. That was an unboxing. That was a big unboxing. I lost count. I don't even know how many boxes I actually opened. I really don't know. But I'll be honest, I'm tired. You know, it's hard opening up packages. But this your boy D Humble Hustler. This is how we do. We never die. You heard? We out here doing what we gotta do. Work hard, play hard, and you get what you need to get. You know, you always gotta hustle. I got some more reviews coming. I'm gonna go get a shape up. I got some more reviews coming. I've seen a lot of new movies recently that I still gotta do reviews on. I watched The Jungle Cruise. It was alright. It was more for a child. But I watched it because I took my niece to see it. You know, it was I mean, The Rock is my dude, you know what I'm saying? So it don't really matter what he gonna be in. It's cool, you know what I'm saying? The Rock is that dude, you know. And I seen another movie, which y'all already saw the review I did on Saw. I got to do a review on Old. I went and saw Old. It was a great movie, but there was also a lot of hidden messages in that movie. This chair is comfortable. Let me know if you guys like this chair right here. Y'all interested in this chair. You trying to get a chair like this. Once again, if you like the chair, just comment below. As I said, I'm on Amazon all the time. I shop on eBay, but it's mainly Amazon. I shop so much, I became an associate. So, this the best game ever. You heard? Best game ever. You know what I mean? So, what can I say? Thank y'all for watching the video. I'm going to go watch Netflix, if it's alright with y'all. And I'm going to holler at y'all. 1. Bye.